This video will teach you how to find the X and Y coordinates of the location at which you are standing. The first step is to turn on your location settings, and you do this by going into the settings app on your phone. Usually the settings app is this gear or cog icon. So you open that. In the search bar you can type in location and click on location access. Next to access my location, you can press the slide bar which turns on your location access for your phone. Ensure that you see the high accuracy option is also turned on. Then you can exit this. Alright, there's also another option for turning on the location settings on your phone, which most of you will be familiar with. You pull down the screen and you can access the gear or the settings tool here again, or pull down the screen again and you will see that you have location information here. To turn off, you tap, or to turn on, you tap again. When it's blue, it's usually turned on. So once your location is on, you go into your application for Google Maps. Once you have opened Google Maps, this blue circle represents the location at which you are standing. If you want to improve the accuracy of your location, or if your phone is not giving you the location at which you are standing, you can just tap this locator button here. Alright, and to get the X and Y coordinates for the location at which you are standing, hold down this blue locator button and you will see your X and Y coordinates show up here. The first value is your X coordinate, and the value after the comma is your Y coordinate. So when you are filling out these coordinates on your questionnaire, you want to make sure that you have the name of the farmer and the address of the farm, so that we can match the coordinates of the farm to the name of the farmer and the address. Alright, so in this case I have my name of farmer and address written here. For coordinate of farm, I write this first value before the comma as my X coordinate, and the second value after the comma as my Y coordinate. Now you would notice that I made an error, so if you make an error in the field, it's best practice to put a straight line through the entire coordinate and write it over again. And make sure that your handwriting is really legible, so that when you are transferring this data into a digital format or just typing it into your Excel spreadsheet, it's easy to figure out what the values are. If for some reason you take a walk around the farm, you might notice that these last three values of the coordinate changes, and that's alright. Once these first, let's say 4 or 5 values remain constant, that's what's important. Alright, and when you're taking this location, you want to try to ensure that you're in an area with clear skies. You're not standing close to a tall building or maybe a cell tower, because your phone is trying to access the satellites in the sky to determine the location at which you are standing. Now, if you are confused about anything or need further information, you can just give me a call at 1-868-474-6905.